Ohayou gozaimasu, what's poppin' boys? Today I'm going to show you how to fix an Overwatch 2 error that we are all experiencing right now, which is game server connection failed. This is what you're going to see on the screen, and this is happening because of various reasons that I will explain further on in the video. I will also give you multiple fixes that are going to work for the PC, PlayStation and Xbox, so let's get right into it. If you tried playing Overwatch 2 this evening, you might have seen this error pop up, which is a login error, failed to connect to the game server, please try again later. Now this could only be happening because of two things. For the first thing, luckily there is a fix and it is quite easy to do, and second thing, well, we'll talk about it. Okay, so if this has happened to you, first of all, it can mean that you have problems with the connection / internet or the device that you're playing Overwatch 2 on itself. Check if your internet is working, test it, and if it is, and you still got this error, make sure to restart your router. By doing that, you're pretty much refreshing your internet, and that's as much as you can do when it comes to this. After you've restarted your router, make sure to restart your PC / PlayStation / Xbox or whatever you're playing the beta on, and then try again. If you cannot follow the steps I've mentioned just now for whatever reason, either your router is inaccessible to you or you're not allowed to touch it for whatever reason, simply restart the device you're playing Overwatch 2 on. I've hopped on the desktop real quick to show all the PC users how they can restart their router if they don't have accessibility to it for whatever reason. Obviously in real life you can just go to it and there's a restart button on it, but if you cannot do that for whatever reason, you can use this. So go to search, type in cmd, command prompt will pop up. You want to type in ipconfig, simple as that, and then you'll see the default gateway all the way down. You want to copy this IP address, you want to go into your internet browser, it doesn't matter which internet browser you're using, it could even be Internet Explorer, and you want to paste in the search bar, in the URL bar, I mean, not the Google and stuff like that. So usernames, if you do not know it, it's usually admin, and password is usually admin or blank. That depends on your router, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the username and password and log in. Okay, so now that I've done that, what I want to do basically on this page, you should have something like management and diagnosis. Keep in mind your page is not going to look like this. It all depends on what router you have. So it's usually going to be under system management or something similar. So here I have system management, and what I want to do is basically click on reboot management, and I want to press on reboot. There's also this reset settings, but do not use this settings. It will restart all the values to factory settings, and that's not what you want to do. You want to use the reboot option, not the reset option. After that, pretty much your internet will go off for a minute or two. Do not panic, that is completely normal since it's basically restarting and so on. As I said, after you've done that, simply launch the game and everything should be okay. However, if it isn't, I have bad news and good news for you guys. The only possible thing that could be happening other than your internet not working properly is that the servers are overloaded. I mean, it makes sense. A lot of people are trying to play Overwatch 2 beta, and it's just way too much, especially since last night servers just opened up. So it is bound to be pretty chaotic. Bunch of people trying to log in the same time and play the game, etc. So it is pretty normal for some of you to get this error, and that also explains why the servers on the past launches of closed beta were laggy as hell. Those were the bad news. The good news is that it usually shouldn't last more than an hour, that you cannot log in, as the message says, please wait and try again. So wait 10 to 30 minutes, and if it doesn't work out, restart the game and repeat. And that is all you can do since the problem isn't even on your end. So since the problem wouldn't even be on your end, I'm sorry guys, but that's all I got for you today. This video is for all the platforms including PC, PlayStation, Xbox and so on. I don't even know, but it works the same. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please subscribe, and that's it from me. Peace out.